IPO or initial public offer. This is a primary market and nowadays emerged as one of the cash cow for the investor, especially in 2018 and 19. What do you mean by primary market? In the sense, first time they are coming to a public. Okay, first time they are issuing their shares from, they are converting their company from private limited or limited liability to public limited company. Whatever we have been discussed in previous videos, all about a secondary market. In the sense, they are already there in a market. In the sense, already they have been issued and trading from the person to person. In a primary market, in a IPO, what happens? Company, from company to investor, it will be transferred. Ownership will be transferred from company to investor. In secondary market, from investor to investor. Okay, so this has become one of the hottest investment sector nowadays, IPO. And here we have been taken a last 1 year IPOs which are listed in 2018 and 19, and their return you can observe. They have been given 127% return within a day. This is a return within a day, okay, and 76%. Only 3 of them given a negative return. So it is better to consider a IPO. But while investing in an IPO, to avoid this negative return, we have to consider few checkpoints. Okay, what are those checkpoints will be discussed here. First one is about a proven track record. Okay, we have to check for their track record. Why, when they are planning to come up as a IPO, they will announce their track record, like what is the last 5 years sales happened, what about our 5 years profitability, and what we have been done in last 5 years. All these things they will be announced in a one press meet. Okay, we have to collect that information and we have to analyze, in the sense, is they are in a track or not. Okay, is their profitability is matching with their competitor or not, is their sales is growth is matching with their competitor or not. We have to check. The second factor we have to consider is which sector they are, because few sectors in India are in a trouble, in the sense there will be a working capital management problem, or debt burden sectors are there. Okay, such sectors we have to avoid, like a power sector or telecommunication sector. Okay, these sectors are already in a burden. So whenever the IPOs emerging in those sectors, okay, it is better to avoid. For example, here we can say Sterling and Wilson was the power sector IPO. Okay, they were in a non-convertible energy sector, in the sense solar energy, wind energy, those company it was. Okay, operating company it was Sterling and Wilson, and they have been given a negative return. You can observe here, right? Okay, MSTC again given a negative return. Okay, because their sectors were in a stress, so that investors were not being shown that interest. For that reason, we have to check for which sector they are, and we have to avoid if the sector is in a problem. Okay, third one is the business leadership. Okay, business leadership is nothing but we have to check what kind of leadership they have, in the sense, is they are market leader or second market leader, or for whom they are close competitor. Okay, and what about a competitor strength over this particular company. Those things we have to check. The better example we have here, IRCTC. Okay, Indian Railway Catering Service. Okay, what happened? They are the monopoly in terms of the catering and ticket issue for the ticketing service for the Indian Railway. So their share has been raised to 125%, in the sense it has been doubled very next day. Okay, within a day the share price has been doubled, so that when there is a monopoly or close competition if it is there, then such shares has been oversubscribed, and you if you are allotted, then there is a chance of making a good amount of return by using IPO techniques. And fourth factor will be considered company history and description. We have to check. Okay, whenever they have been announced the IPO, we have to check about who is the board of director, whatever the quality of management things we have been considered in a previous screening. Same thing we here also we have to check. Who is the owner of the company, who is the director, chairman, and CEO, and we have to check for the shareholding pattern. Okay, how much shareholding they would like to keep. Okay, and is there a pledge already. Those things we have to check before investing into such IPOs. Okay, and last one is about a news and opinion you can check. Okay, whenever the IPO has been announced in Money Control, you can able to check the news related to the IPOs, separate the news related to the IPOs. Where can you check those things? You can go to the news in this home screen. Okay, in menu bar, select news. In news, on bottom you can select here a IPO. Okay, you can select here IPO. It will sort out all the news related to the IPO. Okay, it will give you the all the news related to the IPO. Okay, and this IPO news will be important. You have to read all the IPO news, and then we have to find the opinion. There will be a discussion by the fund managers, there will be discussion by the brokers. Okay, all these things we have to check about the news related to the IPO. Okay, and opinion also you can check about the IPO. Sometime it will be there. Whenever the IPO has been announced, the IPO opinion will be there. Okay, those IPO opinion we have to check for the investment. Before investing into the any of the IPO, we have to check the news and opinion related to the IPO. Okay, that is a one important thing we have to consider in terms of the IPO. Okay, don't invest blindly in the IPO. Before investing into the IPO, we have to check these checkpoints like track record, sector, leadership, about company, and what news is there about them. Okay, all these things we have to check. Then we have to select such IPOs for the investment. Always we have to run our portfolio like our own business. Okay, for then only we can able to select right stock and right IPO, and we can build a right portfolio. Okay, we'll discuss about the two portfolios in a next video.